Hey, hi folks, today it's 31st of March 2018 at exactly 5:10 in the afternoon, exit 55. So this is my BAJA 2.0, which is consists of mixed parts from HPI, King motor, and as well as ROVAN. So I'm going to show you here, I intend to, so this BAJA 2.0, I plan to set this up as a bare bone, or I could say naked, without any cover. So yeah, I'm using the King motor, front tires, and the rear is from ROVAN. And as well as here, I changed apparently and I changed the clutch bell to a knot instead of the classic one, which is to put in the screw. So yeah, 667 Walbro, of course, and then using the outwear from Dave Motors, DDM, and then the kill switch is there. So yeah, I think that's it. This is the BAJA 2.0. So I'm planning to have this BAJA, it's like a bare bone, so without any cover. So there you go. So I'm gonna bash it shortly. Okay, there we go. So a little bit windy here now in exit 55. So hope you guys enjoy. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna film this one first before it's getting dirty. Yeah, that's the sound of the 30.5cc. The power for this is US Micro. The ZP contactor they have from the planes. So yeah, and the response is enormous, it's fast compared to the NIMA, the nickel metal hydride. So there you go, guys. King motor, ROVAN, HPI mix, BAJA 2.0. There you go, guys, BAJA 2.0. So it has a kick with the pedal tires on it, and it's running US rifles to set a carbon ridge so that it will not overheat. Oh my god, I think it's so much rich. It's too rich. I'm gonna set the car. Guys, this is the BAJA 2.0, the bare naked desert buggy. 30.5cc.